Since 1979, the Master Gardener Volunteer Program has trained and engaged volunteers to provide North Carolinians with science-based gardening information. Volunteers can be anyone interested in learning about gardening and willing to commit to an active volunteer program. Through their core training and volunteer internship, Master Gardeners gain practical knowledge in horticulture and hands-on experience providing research-based gardening information to the public. Master Gardener outreach initiatives are organized by Cooperative Extension and often delivered in partnership with other local organizations. The goal of everything we do is to help cultivate healthy plants, landscapes, ecosystems, and communities. To graduate from the Extension Master Gardener program, there is a one-time fee, a 40-hour training requirement, and a 40-hour volunteer internship which must be completed within 1 year of your training. To remain a certified volunteer, Master Gardeners must meet state and county minimums for volunteer hours, attend monthly meetings, and continue their education in horticulture through extension workshops and classes. Come and join over 4,000 Extension Master Gardeners in North Carolina and over 95,000 nationwide. Call our office, visit our website, or follow us on social media for more details. We hope you'll join us.